Possibility number one. Array, I struggle like anything my lifetime because lack of money. Now I have to lead rich life because I got the money. 100 crores luckily I got the money. Array, buy one Benz car. Next, construct a big house and invest somewhere, and so on. He's going to do that. So maybe within 5 years or 10 years, the 100 crores by default will be gone because he's not having how the wealth is going to be created. Suddenly it came. He don't know about wealth creation rules. Then certain day, these 100 crores definitely is going to be completed. Yes, dosto. Obviously, keep on using. At certain point, it's going to be completed. Once 100 crores got completed, what will happen is, this person is already habited with the full rich life. Money is not there. He is going to borrow from somewhere, and so on. He is not in a position to repay. Automatically, what will happen is, his position will become very horrible. Even when compared with the earlier life, now the situation will become more worse. I told one wonderful example. Kaun Banega Karorpati, Sunil Kumar. 5 crores he got. 5 crores he got. But
But
after
he
2 years,
didn't know how to handle.
yeah, after 2 years, he made a Facebook post saying, anyone can you please help me? I'm struggling like anything for the food also. This is the post he kept. Remember that. So, if for the money you are getting, so suddenly, it is always a curse, it's not a luck. That's why the rich people became rich not by luck. Don't feel no such a type of terminology. So this is one scenario. One scenario is he's utilizing habitation with richness, then money got completed, then he started taking the loans and his life is going to become horrible. This is one thing, one possibility which is going to be happen suddenly in our life if we got some huge amount without our impact.